Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Teens Steal $4,000 in Merchandise, Get the Surprise of Their Lives.
It started with a flood of 911 calls from local business owners. A group of women was moving through Martin County, Florida, sweeping shelves clean. By the time they hit Dick's Sporting Goods, they had grabbed over $4,000 in random merchandise, sprinting out the doors with such disregard that they almost knocked over an older couple. Officers were already en route, but the breakthrough came when a witness called in the description and direction of their getaway vehicle.
Right there. Middle lane. Middle lane. You got eyes? Yep. There. Good sticks. Good sticks. Alpha 12 behind the vehicle, southbound Federal Highway. Good hit on the sticks. Good hit on the sticks.
Got them together. Them wheels is coming off.
Southbound Palm City Road, getting ready to go back. Missed the pit. Hands out the window! Get him out! Get him out! Get him out! Get him out! Oh, hands out the window! Out! Out! Turn away! Out! On the ground! Ground! On the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Clear, 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 clear. Clear, clear, clear.
Bunch of idiots.
Nothing on you? Let me lock these so they don't get tight. Alright, I'm safe. Where's your wallet or any ID? You got any on you?
No, it's behind my phone.
It's what, behind your phone? What calls your phone?
Yellow.
Yellow? Alright, hold tight.
Can you get my purse out the car, please? We all going to the same facility?
Yes, sir. I'm assuming so, unless they were throwing it out the window. Sounds like that PSLPD guy was staying on pretty good. Yeah, these are both 50 bucks a piece.
Yeah, he's got like 7 or 8 of them up here. He's got, we're over 750. He's got
All these ones?
Listen, you stealing from Dick's Sporting Goods, man. They are the most expensive spot to buy anything. Like, you're cooked. You're like, you better off like Champs or, you know, what's the other ones? Champs, Foot Locker, any of those. They're a little less expensive, but they still expensive. But Dick's Sporting Goods, man, they mark up everything there like that. So look, he said he just grabbed two things of sweatpants, $50 a piece. 2 items. You had $100. Two items. And they got a bunch of things in there. A bunch of stuff. Name brand too. Not that no name brand. You know what I'm saying? They got Nike. Not likey. You know what I'm saying? They got Adidas. You know what I'm saying? Not Fatima's. You know what I mean? Listen, I'm telling you, they got the name brand stuff. Yeah, y'all messed up.
$50 a piece. Yeah. And there's like at least 10 here. These ones are 60. 60. 60. So there's 120. Hold on, sorry. Should we take pictures and stuff yet? Yeah, let me take pictures.
And those are all 50, you said, right? Okay.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
50 times 15?
Yes.
15?
And there's a purse there with a price tag on it.
This one?
Yeah. Look inside it. I saw a price tag for $178 or something like that.
That one looks like they just kept the price tag on, though. You want to just document it just in case?
Yeah.
178.
Yeah.
178 black purse.
It's a Carl.
Which one is that?
LAGERFELD.
It's just the name of it.
Hillies.
No, lager fat.
What are these?
These are.
I think those are the part of the clothes that
Yeah,
you
but
just
these are
got.
that's
new.
45.
Okay, so 145.
This was on sale.
145 and another $39.99.
I came shallow. All right. So fill me in. What's going on?
Basically,
You were a passenger, right? You weren't a driver?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Who was driving?
All of our sisters, basically. So the younger
Oh.
sister was
Like blood sisters?
yeah, all of
Okay.
us. The
Same
black
mom,
one,
like-
yeah.
Okay.
The black one not related to us, but we grew up with her too. So
Oh, okay. I got you. All right. So what happened today?
basically, we all trying to get back ready for school. And,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
So this is like back to school. Where'd you guys go?
Dick's right there.
Dick's? Anywhere else today?
I went a lot of like, I've got food over here, gas over here.
Okay. All right. Well, hang tight for me, okay? Thanks for speaking with me.
How you doing?
All right, yourself?
I'm doing well.
So what's going on?
Well, we just had a shoplifting thing. I was grabbing all my information and everything.
Okay. I'm
They
here to
said,
get it all.
well, I don't even. I just started looking at. I just saw a camera where what they took. So I'm going to that area to find out what it. I can show you on camera.
Okay, perfect.
Them running out with everything.
Trying to have a nice day, huh?
Well, then things happen.
Did you guys already get them or?
Get 'em.
Oh, nice.
Just stopping.
Oh, yeah, we got it. Spiked them, pitted them. Welcome to Martin County.
Yep. They spiked them, like tires thing. That's awesome.
Yeah, we got stingers. So
It was 4 females,
okay.
and I don't know. They probably had a driver, but when they were in the store, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Yes. So they're telling me 4 females. I'm going back to take a look at the video. I'll send you some pictures real quick. And they're gathering me all the info on what was taken. How much stuff was taken from here?
Shitload. A lot.
Oh, he said there's a shitload that was taken.
Bunch of clothes.
That's her running out with. That's the last one running out right there.
Okay, it's all Dick stuff.
So that's the first one.
Okay. All right. Looks like I got one female. She's wearing like a skirt.
Well, here I'll do this one. I already got all the descriptions.
You got all 4? Okay.
Right here.
All right. I'll collect all.
I'm gonna take a rip of the registers and scan it right in there, and then we can.
We'll just go from one shopping cart to the next.
Yeah,
so
we're
we
just
have
gonna
piece
run
by
a
piece.
receipt. All right, thank you. What's that?
They are in deep water, boy. That is a lot of shit. And it's expensive too.
You got the card, you're good, you go.
all your stuff? Yep, appreciate it. Thank you. No problem. If you have any other things, call us.
Oh man, that's how it ends. You just fade it out. You ain't no outro. What was stolen? Okay. First, see, this is my first time watching their stuff, so I don't know, how they typically end things, man. But $4,000 worth of stuff, man, from Dick's, man. It's crazy. Ooh. Have you ever shot that Dick's Sporting Goods? I'm trying to listen, they stuff is marked up crazy. It's not even the regular. I don't know how people shop there. Now I understand if you like specialty things like golf or things like that, but like for your Nike suits, your Adidas suits, and stuff like that, like what? Nah, I'm not going to Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm good. Oh no, too expensive. Anyway, I think the officers did a great job, man. I know they get a kick out of doing them spikes too. It'd be fun, you get the adrenaline rushing, everything, and they just dumb. I get it. Things is probably tough at home, and they trying to get some things to, to go back to school with, or to either sell to try and get some, some money to go school shopping and things of that nature or whatever. But doing it like this is just, you're just gonna jack up your record. You know what I mean? That's all you're doing. Anyway, I get a Cops 5 out of 5. I think they did an outstanding job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.